Hi guys! In this video, I'll be showing you how to change shipping address in Shopify. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and then click on Settings. From Settings, tap on Locations. You can see your location right here. Now tap on this to change your location. And then you'll see Location Name. You can now enter your new location. After entering your location, you can now edit your address. Now select your region, your address, your apartment if there is any, and then your postal code. You can also enter your city and then your phone number. And then finally click on Save to save your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.